Ever wondered why your feline friend makes those odd noises? Cats, like humans, have their own language, and the more you understand it, the better you can interact with them. First, the classic meow. It's a cat's all-purpose word. They may use it for greetings, demands, or queries. Next, the purr. Often, it signifies contentment, but it could also be a call for help when they are not feeling well. Then there's the hiss. This one's a no-brainer. Your cat is upset or feels threatened. Finally, the chirp or chatter. Usually, this happens when they spot a bird or squirrel outside. It's their way of expressing frustration or excitement. Remember, each cat is unique, so their sounds might vary. Listen closely and you'll learn to speak cat in no time.